Hi Jean and Bailey, this is Krista. I'm going to show you how to paint the grout. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a paper plate. Next you're going to want to have the sponge painter. I have one over here that I've already started using and washed. You're going to want to have some paper towels handy. Over here is the grout paint. And if you read it, you'll see that it says not to use any solvent cleaners on it. I also have more of these, and it's very easy to snap the handle off, and I find that it's easier to control if the handle has been snapped off. Let's see. See? It snaps right off. And then you just throw this part in the trash. Okay. You don't need a lot of this stuff. It's really thick. So, we're going to unscrew the lid.
What's the matter?
I'm making a video. And put a little bit on the plate. That's going to go a long way. I don't think you're even going to open up these other bottles. I think this one bottle is going to do the whole floor. But if you do open up the other bottles, that's okay. We're also going to want to have ready some wet wipes. The grout paint dries very quickly, so you have to be wiping up after yourself immediately after application. Okay, so we're ready. We got our paper towel, our paint, and how we're going to apply it. Alright, Skittles, you stay back. I think it's pretty obvious where I start and stop. So that line has not been done yet. So I'm going to do this line. Try to get just the tip covered in paint. Get it fairly saturated. Since this is grout, it's rough, and since this is a sponge, it's soft. And what you're going to find is the sponge gets worn down and you lose your tip. That's why you have the other sponges, because the pointier the tip, the more control you have over the paint. So use this one up until you don't have a good tip anymore, and then switch to a new one. So it's just a thin bead.